Like my dress? This is my dress today. The belly look extra big. Like seriously. What's in there? She's big and it's hot. I am making what am I making? Pizza burger. Burger pizza. That's where you that is where you I don't know where the lens of my camera is on my iPhone. So I can't look in the lens and talk to you guys and feel like I am making eye connection. And if I'm not making eye connection with you guys,
I struggle with lighting in this house. So I'm getting ready to make turkey burger turkey. And I'm having me a little snack. I don't know what I was saying before. I got cut off. But my husband called me. He interrupted my call. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I make turkey burger turkey. How you say that? Oh yeah, I was saying about the lens situation. Like, I don't know where my lens, is it lens are or lens is? But I don't know where my lens is. I think it's lens is because lens is one word. Lens is one word, so it would be singular, so it would be is. Is that right? Right, people? I'm not the best at English. So, yes, please take out the trash. One of you do the table. Thank you, Ileana. And then the other one, do the floors. Like, pick up everything off the floor and get it prepared. Why is my hair falling out in the back? What? Is I walking around ratchet like that all day? And then I'm in charge of the kitchen because I don't want to own my kitchen. So, you see, people, I got this nice, lovely pimple right here today. I'm working with it. And I was like, my face is like recovering, whatever. Pregnancy is not for everyone. I'm just excited that this is my last pregnancy and I'm done with it. Can't wait to get my body back. After 32 years and 10 of them spent having children, I'm ready. So, I don't know what you're talking about, Illy. So I'm gonna go have my snack and then I'm gonna come back with you guys. So guys, it's 4th of July. And we're out, it's rainy though.
It's 4th of July?
Yeah. All the fireworks around here are canceled. So my husband came home early, so they don't have to work because he delivered porta potties and they were supposed to service them today. Because the 4th of July is canceled, they have to pick up the porta potties today. So we're just out and about. We went to, why am I smacking my lips? I don't know why I smack my lips, forgive me guys. But we stopped at Walmart to get a grill because my husband really wanted to grill. And when we do grill, we go to Laurel. I don't know why I talk with my hands, but I just talk with my hands. So right now it's raining. I mean, when we came and went to Walmart, it wasn't raining. So I was able to go in. Now it's raining, so I'm in the car with 3 of the other kids. My husband took Jordan with him. So I went into Walmart and I got baby girl some pants. They just look like this. So it's just a 2-pack. This one was $7.24 and this set was $4.50. And it's basically the same style of pants. It's just basically the same style of pants, except it's in a different color. So I got that, and yes, honey. And I got a couple packets of wet ones. So I'm just now in the car, and I'm bored. So I figured I'll update you guys. And it's right here. Daddy's gonna make lunch. So I'll see you guys when I get to the house. Bye. We are finally back home, and my husband bought a grill for outside. I'm gonna show you guys the grill because you guys won't have to see this to believe it.
And we have
honey, can you show them the grill?
We have these things.
Let's not put together.
No, can you show them the box?
Look down, and you have to show them the box. Hey guys.
There you go. That's
Guys, look at this.
What is Taurus?
If I drop these green
Taurus
explode.
compatible something grill. So he read the review and one man said it doesn't get hotter than your pavement. So I bought burgers. I bought burgers. Bought some burgers. I paid $12 for 10 burgers. And we have hot dogs. So even though it's raining outside, we're going to try to give the kids a decent 4th of July because my husband has to work tonight. And all the fireworks around here are canceled. So, bummer. So I'm going to show you guys once it fit up together and stuff. And I did show you guys what I got at Walmart. So, that's about it. So I'm going to show you guys when he put that together, what it looks like. And what he's going to do with it. Pray for us. Yeah. Huh?
It's raining buckets out here. Hold on. Watch out. It is pouring rain. Did you set up the grill, Papa?
Can you tell Jordan to give me one of the green things?
Can you pass one of the green cans on your table? Watch out, Gio. Hey, Daddy. Daddy's gonna grill right there. It is raining, pouring rain out here. I'm not going out there.
No, but you can get a chair and you can keep it something. Oh, this? No. Yeah, it's good. Here, Here. Take this one,
Excuse me? Whoa.
bring the lid, Destiny. Bring the lid.
Why do you need that chair? Huh, Daddy?
It's your little chair.
Hi, Daddy. One. Hi, Daddy. You was.
I said bring the lid.
And Destiny was.
Bring a what?
All girls. And there's a fire on. No, I can't.
So it's raining. It's pouring down rain. And my honey, look at the belly. Yeah, he's gonna grill us some food, and then we're gonna eat, and he's gonna be off to work. So it's just gonna be me and the kiddos here. So yeah, I'm tired. I'm exhausted, and it's rainy day. So I'll talk to you guys once food is done. Ooh, look at the burgers on the grill. We'll check back in a little bit, okay? Let me see the burgers. Ooh, they're coming along just good.
Yeah.
Smells good.
What are you putting next on there?
Hot dogs.
These are hot dogs. I thought you were finished.
I'm about to be. Give it to the kids.
Trash.